So let's start with the casting process. So how the casting is carried out. We already discussed this thing in a previous session, and we already see the video of the casting industry. The virtual visit of casting industry we already done. So you know the different component is required in the casting. The first one is you required some metal, scrap metal or new metal to melt it. So you required some metal. Okay, to melt the metal, you required some we can say some fuel, maybe liquid, solid or gaseous fuel you require. Okay, and the metal is melt. After the melting, you require some mold. So to prepare the mold, here you can see this is the mold, because here the metal, okay, so metal flux are inserted into the foundry. This is called a we can say electric furnace. It's maybe the furnace is electric furnace or any gas furnace or any other furnace, coal based furnace. So the all this stuff, flux, metal, scrap, it is put down inside this uh, furnace where the metal is melt, or we can say converted into liquid form. So liquid form metal is come to outside. Okay, so if you using the electric furnace, then here all the metal is passing to this, and this metal is converted into liquid form, and metal is passed through this ladle to this mold. So here it is a mold. You can see the mold. Mold means uh, it is a made up from the sand, and it is a contain your required shape. If you want to produce a required shape like any box material or sorry, any shape, or it's contain the hollow cavity as per your required shape. So to prepare this mold, we require some process. We require some sand. So here we put the some sand. In the sand we cannot directly combine, or we can say it's does not stick to each other. So make them strengthen and make them stick to each other, or make them strengthen. We require some binder, means molasses or any other binders, which can be strengthen your sand. So mix the sand with the binder, and this material is passing through this sand preparation process. Here you can see this is a sand preparation. Okay, so sand is prepared where the binder sand and other constitution is placed, or we can say it is mixed to in proper proportion and ready for after process. So the sand is passing through this sand preparation process. It is filled to the mold. Mold is nothing but it is a box, one kind of box. It's maybe made up from wooden or steel or cast iron, any other materials. So this box is filled with this sand, and this sand is sorry, this mold box is moved to the forward direction. Okay, here you can see the core are there. So for preparation of the core, what is the core? If you require some hollow shape inside your mold box or your cavity, at that time some portion is required, or we can say some part is required, which makes you a hollow part. So for that, it is also made up from the stem sand. So here sand and binder are mixed. Here it is a core making machine where core is produced. This core is make it some passing through some heating process by using of the gas or electric furnace, and then it is come to the outside, and then it is fitted to your mold. That's why it's we can say it can be produce a cavity or any space recesses inside your mold. So this mold is now ready for pouring. So mold is pattern and core both are fitted, and then it is passes through this simultaneous process, and then here whatever the liquid metal is converted, it's through the ladder, it is poured into your mold box. So the liquid metal is poured to the mold box. So mold box is now filled with the liquid metal. Now it is passes through the for solidification process. So in solidification, when it is cooled down or solidified, the casting shakeout process is carried out. So during the casting shakeout, the other molding material, or we can say the sand, is removed. Okay, so sand is removed and only the casting part which you need, which you want to cast, it is come outside. So here you can see this is your casted part, and now mold is empty, and this sand which are coming out after the shaking process, it's moved to the return back, and return sand is further used for the mold making process. Okay, and the mold box is also returned to this, and it is also used for next process. So now here your casting is ready, but casting contains some dust and gases, so it can be cooled down, and cleaning process is first carried out. So whatever the cast is come outside from the process, it is first cool down and clean processes take place. So make them clean by using of air. So after cleaning and cooling, it is come outside. So some the finishing process is carried out where the part is finished, or we can say the material removing process is carried out. So your now parts is ready for dispatch, and the part is moved to the for use. Okay, so this is the process of uh, casting. You can see your whole process is divided into three parts. First is a metal melting process, then mold making process, core making process, and finally your product processing part, here this part. So the whole process is divided into mainly four parts: melting, mold making, core making, or we can combine these two parts, core and mold making, and then uh, casting product